Thanks for clicking on the video. In this video, it's going to be a short video, but we're going to open up some 25th anniversary Pokemon cards. And I also got some Vivid Voltage just to break it up a little bit. Let's roll the intro. Okay guys, so I got some of the 25th anniversary packs. I actually have like 6 of these each. I don't know why I bought so much. I'll probably buy a little bit less of the other ones. So I got 2 of each of the 2 that I have. I have the Galar region and the Alolan region. So we're gonna open those. I also have the binder. I haven't opened up the binder yet. As soon as I picked it up though, it actually broke right out of the wrapping. So it's already open. So let me see if I can push these back. There we go. So here's the 25th anniversary Pikachu card. Extremely big. Little nick at the top too. That's funny. So I'm gonna collect them all, as you can see here. Let's open this up. So I have the Galar region and the Alolan region. I don't have anything else. I am gonna pick up this one and this one. I know we are in August, so I have 4 more, so I will pick those up hopefully within the next month, so that we can do those 4 in a quick video. So I'm gonna do that. So this is actually a really nice binder. Put the base set Pikachu at the front of it. There we go. Actually holds very nice. So there's that. Throw this away. I also have a voltage just to kind of break up the 2. What we'll do is we'll open up 2. Oh, it's really loud. Open up the 2. I believe there's packs in here. So we got, oh, here we go. We got Grookey. Tell me your favorite. Grookey, Scorbunny, or Sobble. Now, on my playthrough, I took Sobble. I personally wish, I don't know if there is if you can get a Charmander in it. I have to look that up. But I low-key wish I picked Grookey. I found out very soon that you can get a Magikarp, and my favorite Pokemon of all time is Gyarados. So now I'm going to have 2 water Pokemon, or I'm going to have to restart. So I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. I think I'm just going to say screw it and just keep going. And just kind of hold 2 water Pokemon, I guess. Yeah, I kind of wish I picked Grookey. They're just bigger cards than ones I've seen. It's got the 25th anniversary logo. Pretty cool. These are my first bigger oversized cards. I don't know why I'm now out of focus. Oh, there we go. So these are my first big cards. We'll toss those in, but they do come with 2 packs. Oh, nice. Vivid Voltage. Sun and Moon. I have not opened a Sun and Moon pack yet. So let's crack that one open. So I will give the code cards out right at the hop. There you go. 2, 3, 4. Oh, Fairy Energy. Wow. Steenie. Big Massa. Musselina. Hypno. Meowth. Vandal. Kerbrawler. Drowsy. Ice Long Beach on the Walk. Actually, you know what? To all the people who have played Pokemon Snap, new one, I'm almost positive this is one of the levels in Pokemon Snap. I'm playing it right now with my girlfriend, and I'm almost positive this is the beach. It has all the Execute, big tree ones, Executors on it. Reverse Wishy-Washy, and a Poliwrath or Hollow. That's pretty cool. I didn't know Poly was in the set. I'm okay with that. That was actually my very first Sun and Moon pack. And we got a Hollow. I'm okay with that. Got Vivid Voltage here. Got 8 more Vivid Voltages over there. I can open this up. Oh, jeez. Kill the messenger on this one. So I just recorded a video opening some elite trainer boxes, which are really nice, for battle styles. My mic was echoing. Yeah, I'm not happy about it. So I think I'm still going to upload it, but I'm going to use my camera mic as the mic and not have my face on it, or just mute my face, like mute the audio coming from my face, because I use a Yeti. So it was echoing. I'm not happy about that. Reverse and nice Clefable. So that's going to be very interesting. So you might see that video. Or you might see that video, and it's not going to have either my face, or I'm going to try to line the audio up with the camera one. There's the 3. Still the same, exact same. You get the same packs in each one. These are the fact that it has vivid voltage in it kind of makes it almost worth it. I think you can grab these because I'm from Canada, so I'm pretty sure you can grab these for $12 Canadian. So the vivid voltage packs right now, I've seen people sell them for like $9 a pack, which is absolutely insane. Considering the set just came out. A rare? Oh no. Okay, hold on. Thinking of a different set. Teeny, nice. Little pup. Bone Sweet. Sai. Litten. Nice. Reverse Alolan Muck. That is a reverse rare. Nice. And a Ductile. Kind of reminds me of Pidgey a little bit. Let's get into some vivid voltage. After this, I will open up 4 vivid voltage. And we'll go from there. And then after the 4, I will open up the other set that I have for the anniversary. Reverse Pipkike and telescopic sight gold card. Gold has been pulled. Nice. I'm pretty sure I don't have this card because I don't think I pulled it in the vivid voltage opening. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh no, I don't have my sleeves. I actually didn't think Ideal was gonna pack anything good. All right, I grabbed 2. Nice. I don't think this goes for very much, but I need this for my collection, so I'm extremely happy to have that. So I'm going to put this off to the side. And let's open up some vivid voltage. I just grabbed this from that random. I have a bunch of random packs. Just kind of laying around. I grabbed 8. I think I have 40 left. I usually try when a new set comes out. Okay. When a new set comes out, I try and grab some like small, like loose packs. Nice Charmander. Having a good old time running for the sun. Execute and Clefable. Nice. So I try and do that. Just so I have them whenever I just want to do openings like this. But I have stuff to kind of break up. Just don't want to open. I have like kind of stuff to break up in between. Something like the anniversary stuff. Stadium, Matang, Matiana, Trubbish, Hiccups. Woobat. Tallow. Reverse Beldum. Oh, cards are falling. And the rare. Nice. Colossal V. Nice. Can't complain about a V card. So I still have this light on behind me because I am opening up these two openings back to back, as I said in the other video. Jeez. R. Energy. Bay. Toys R Us Giraffe. Moo Moo. Mercury. Meowth. Chimchu. Blitzel. Nice. Reverse rare Shifty. And a Beedrill. Nice. 2 grass type. Alright, so one more. One more, and we will get into this anniversary stuff once again. Wonder if you guys are collecting this anniversary stuff. Kuna, Cheese, Wooper seen some things, Dedenne, Pipic, Toodle, Rulu, Danice, Reverse, that's a reverse rare. I haven't gotten that one yet. And Manitrick. Alright. Open this up. I feel like I'm opening up a bag of chips or something. Alright, first one, Rowlet, nice. Grass type, Litten, because she's lit. Pipio. It's like a dolphin mixed with Rudolph. So which one's your favorite? I haven't played this game, so I don't know based on attacks what I would use. I feel like I would probably like a Litten. Because I don't know. Based on what 2 packs do we get? Sun and Moon and Bile Styles? Interesting. I feel like Sun and Moon is around a lot. I think they just released more of it. Actually, don't think I have anything Sun and Moon. Other than, I guess, these now. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I haven't played any of those game ones. Candy. But I probably would have picked Litten. Whoa, what is going on here? There's a lot going on in this card. That artwork is amazing, actually. Wow. That's actually a really good artwork. Spearow. Pipic. Reverse. That's an uncommon. And a Stoutland. With his handlebar mustache. Alright. So, get this battle styles done. Fire. X-Rio. Strike. Level Ball. Gallo. Tipic. Tripper. Ponard. Cacnea. Reverse Level Ball. And Vilvion. It's a little rare. Alright. Let's see. You get the same thing in each one. There's the oversized cards, and yes, Spouse Styles, Sun and Moon. Alright. So it's safe to assume that all of them come with their own packs. Their own style of pack. 2, 3, 4. And or energy. Yeah, I mean I guess I am right still. Ender, oops, Lily, Spinia, Dratini, Lip, Bone Sweet, Psychic, Litten, a reverse. I think that's an uncommon. I think a common's a circle. Sorry, I'm still learning, guys. Dragonair and a Crocodile. Nice hollow hit. A hollow rare hit. Open up this Battle Styles. We'll open up the Vivid Voltage. That was weird. Actually, I feel like that's how it should be more often. Oh, sorry, I'm sneezed. Oh, Phoebe, Bisharp, Sword, Bug, Houndour, Freelish, Scorbra, Reverse, Uncommon Seadra, and a Galarian Slowbro. That's weird that it's on its hand now, not on its tail. I didn't know that. So, before I put them in there, we'll open up this 4. Two, 3, 4. There we go. Swallow, Substrika, Dustops, Duskull, Beehive, Rulu, Scandal, Wilmer, Reverse Rare Cafable, and a Cafable. I don't think that's happened to me yet. I didn't know you could do that. Have the exact same card but in reverse rare form in the same card pack. Okay. That's new to me. That is new to me. Alrighty. 3 more packs. Code card. Right. Dark. Swoobat. Loudron. Substrika. Rockruff. Stallo. Yaman. Wooper seen some things. Dedenne. Contini. And as a Rude V. Nice. Let me grab a sleeve. Off camera. Nice. Pretty sure we got this card in the Good Voltage opening. But is that okay? 2 more packs. And we'll slide all those cards in. 2, 3, 4. Just trying to do it quick for you guys. Rookruff. Oh, amazing rare. Celebi. I totally forgot about the amazing rares. Lucario, too. Nice little Celebi. I think that's the trick to getting the camera in focus. Just put my other hand behind it. Beautiful. So I'm not going to sleeve that up. Just keep it going. I don't remember if I got that one. Now I got 2 amazing rares. Oh, she white on the last pack. 1, 2, 3. Losing my mind. Dark. DeWatt. Earththorn. Liss. Slugma. I was gonna make a joke, but never mind. Milcery. Whooper seen some things. Noctina. Rocky Helmet. And a Snorlax Hollow. Nice. Don't think I got that one. Perfect. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'll put these in. I'll put these in on another time. But that's kind of the base of this video. So I was trying to show off some of the 25th anniversary because I know some of the 25th anniversary celebration stuff is coming out. So I'll probably get those other packs hopefully for the next month, and I'll do a quick video. I know this is like a 20 minute video, but next time I'll try and make it smaller because I'll have all the other ones there. So I'll just end up doing like 2 of each one. So I'll probably have 4 months worth of the 25th anniversary. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.